6 weeks since the lumbar decompression and stabilisation. The pain in the leg's gone. How about flexibility? I wanted to check your flexibility, how you're able to bend. Yes, please. Yeah, good. That's great. And upright, great. And your posture is better.
Good.
Yeah, and how about sideways? If you stand sideways.
What,
stand? Just sideways, so I can see your sideways posture.
What, bend over?
Oh no, what I meant is if you stand facing that way, so I can look at your posture from a side.
Right,
yes.
okay.
Yeah, and do you feel straighter since the procedure?
I don't know the answer to that because I'm dealing with
It's
this
hard
left
to-
side, it's a bit
left
sore
side.
and whatever.
Yes.
I don't know if I do.
Yeah, but you certainly look straighter.
I do.